MegaPack BETA is the folding system for easy handling. The system includes a pallet, folding sleeve and lid. 2 depressed grips in the lid and a loading flap in the sleeve improve handling and facilitate product loading and unloading. Locking bars on the pallet and latches on the lid ensure safety. The latches on the inside also make the system waterproof. The raised pallet edge means you can put the folding sleeve right in the pallet, and it keeps the lid in place so it doesn't slide off. This prevents damage during storage and transport. The system is quick to set up and fold down thanks to sandwich folding. This means you can fold the sleeve and put it between the pallet and lid. This makes stacking super easy. This is the MegaPack BETA, the folding system for easy handling.